The Tapo C401 solar-powered CCTV. The price of this camera is 4,200 pesos without the memory card. This is the recording in the day. The CCTV is charging and can get 100% full charge even if it is raining. This is the recording in the evening. What's inside the box? Core features: 1080p Full HD video, full color night vision, smart AI detection, flexible storage dual paths, saves data locally on a microSD card, up to 512 gigabytes or via Tapo Care Cloud. Two-way audio, sound and light alarm, triggers white lights and a 70 dB siren to scare off intruders. IP65 weatherproofing. Main advantages: true wire-free installation, no power outlets or video cables required, allowing placement anywhere. 180-day battery life. Low power protocol ensures the 5,200 mAh battery lasts up to 6 months. Free local AI processing. Person detection features operate directly on the device for free. Solar panel compatibility. Upgrading to a solar panel offers non-stop power with 45 minutes of daily sunlight. No subscription required. It can read and write to a 256 gigabyte memory card. Its low bat lets charge it using Type C charger. This is the Type C solar charger. Let's turn it on. Let's set up this CCTV. Let's format the memory card.